Hello children, how are you all? Fine na? Okay, I hope you have enjoyed and learned the concept which we taught in the last class or part first of chapter 2, counting in the group. Today we shall continue to the second part of this chapter, and for that we have more than and less than topic. Children, while we compare two things, one thing is less or the other thing is more. When we say that first thing is more than second, then which sign we will use? This. That means this sign where it is open, that means the side which is on the open side is more than the other side of it. That means the thing which is kept at this side will be less than this side. Okay. Similarly, for less than, suppose a thing is less than the other thing, that means we will close this shape for the object which is less, and we will open this sign where the object is more. For further improvement of the concept, let's have this example. Okay, we have apple, and after cutting the apple we saw some seeds in it. You also eat apple na? In that apple some seeds are there. Okay, these are those seeds only. In this apple we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many seeds? 6 seeds. Okay. Then the question asks that seeds in this apple are more than 10 or less than 10. You just think that 6 is less than 10 or 6 is more than 10. Think and tell me. 6 is more than 10? No. 10 is more than 6. That's why what is correct? 6 is less than 10. Which option will we tick? We will tick that the seeds in this apple are less than 10. We can also write 6 is less than. For the less than we use this sign. Then 10. Okay. Easy na? Okay. Let's move to the second example. Here we are given some stars, and the question asks that the number of these stars is more than 10 or less than 10. Should we count? Okay, let's count. This is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many seeds are there? How many stars are there? 13 stars. Okay. Is 13 less than 10 or 13 more than 10? Tell me. Think. Yes, you are right. 13 is more than 10. So, we can write, which sign we will use? This sign or this sign? We know na 13 is more than. So, for more than we use this sign. So, 13 is more than 10. Very good. Okay, let's do one more activity. Here we are given some candies. Okay. And the question asks, the total number of candies is more than 20 or less than 20. So for that we have to count, and here we are given the candies in pairs. How many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs of candies are there. That means they are total in, the total number of candies are, count. 5 pairs of candies. That means they are 10. How many candies are there? 10. So 10 is more than 20 or 10 is less than 20? Think. 10 is more than 20 or 10 is less than 20? Yes, you are right. 10 is less than 20. So we can write 10 is less than 20. Very good. So children, you can also practice some more questions given in the book. Okay, and also in the worksheet that is being provided in the WhatsApp group. Okay, now let's move forward to the next topic without wasting any time. Your time is precious, yes or no? Oh yes. Okay, our next topic is ascending order or descending order. Children, can you see these arrows? Here, with the ascending order, I have made one small arrow, then big, then big, then big, then big, then big, then biggest. That means ascending order starts from smaller number and ends up in the biggest number. Just like we have some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You all know na these numbers. In these numbers, the smallest number is 1. Then we say 2, which is bigger than 1. Then 3, 4, 5, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger, then biggest, which is 10. So 10 comes at the last. That means these numbers are written in an ascending form. Smaller number 1, then bigger number 2, then bigger number 3, and so on, and the biggest number 10. So this sequence is ascending order. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending. Ascending means increasing order. Okay. Then we have also got some descending order. See, look. Here I have made the biggest arrow first, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smallest. So like this, that means the biggest number comes first, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. At the last, what will come? The smallest number. Let's take an example. If we say 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means biggest number 10 first, then smaller number 9, then smaller number 8, and so on. At the last, smallest number 1 is written. That means the sequence is written in the descending form. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. Okay, children? Okay, let's do one small exercise. What is it? A cat is there, but this drawing is incomplete. Why? It will get completed when we will join these numbers, these dots written with a number. And how we will write them? We will join these dots in the ascending order. That means which number will come first in ascending order? The smallest. Okay, let's find out the smallest number. Is 45 smallest? No. One number is there which is 44, which is smaller than 45. Then 43, it is also smaller than 44. Then we have also got 42, it is also smaller than 43. Oh, here we have 40 as the smallest number. Look, no number is there which is smaller than 40. So we will start from which number? 40. Let's start. Okay. 40. Then what number will come after 40? 41. Then 42. 43. 44. Then 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. Is there any number which is written after 51? No, na? So we will stop here. Look, we have arranged or joined these numbers in ascending form. That is smaller number, then bigger, 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 biggest. No number after 51 is written here, na? That means 51 here is the biggest number, and we have joined the number in the ascending order. So what will we get? We get a long tail of our pussycat, which says, do you know the sound of pussycat? Can you make it? She says meow, meow. She comes doing meow meow and goes to a kitchen and drink up all the milk which she founds there. Oh, okay. We have understood the concept of ascending order now. Okay, let's get one more exercise over ascending order. We have given some numbers, randomly written numbers. We have to arrange them in ascending order. Do you know how to arrange the number in ascending order? We have to find out the smallest number first. Okay, let's see. 39 number is smallest. Let's check. 34, no, 34 is smaller than 39. That means 39 is not the smallest. Okay, 41, no, 41 is bigger than 34. 31, or we have got 31 less, which number? 31 number which is less than 34. 55, is 55 less than 31? No, na? Okay, then 64, is 31 less than 64? Yes, 64 is not less than 31, na? 31 is less than 64, na? That means 31 is the smallest number. We shall start writing from 31. Okay. Then which number was there after 31? 34 should come after 31. Okay. Then which number is bigger than 34? 41 or 39? 39. Very good. 39. Then which number will come? 64, 55 or 41? Obviously 41. Then which number is bigger than 41? 64 or 55? Both numbers are bigger than 41. But we have to write which is just bigger than 41 but not the largest. The number is 55. And what will come at the last? 64. See, 64 is the biggest number and 31 is the smallest number. We have arranged the numbers in ascending order, na? So our task completed. Now you can also solve some numbers. You can also arrange some numbers in ascending form which your parents can give. You will do, na? Okay. You can also do these numbers arranging in ascending order from the book also or in the worksheets also. Okay. You will do, na? Promise? Okay. Let's move forward to the arrangement in descending order. Here again we are given some numbers. But how we will write descending numbers? Descending order, how we will write? Yes, idea. We know that in descending number we have to write the biggest number first. Okay, let's find out the biggest number. Here 45. Is 45 bigger than 82? No, 82 is bigger than 45. Is 82 bigger than 66? Yes. Is 82 bigger than 11? Yes. Is 82 bigger than 38? Yes. Is 82 bigger than 26? Yes. That means 82 is the largest number that will come first in the descending order. Okay. Now we have to find which number is just less than 66 and bigger than other numbers. Sorry, 82. Which number is less than 82 but bigger than other numbers? 66. Yes, it is bigger than 45. It is bigger than 11. It is bigger than 38. It is bigger than 26. So 66 will come. Now which number will come? 38. No, 38 is less than 45. That means here we will take 45. Now which number we will take? Which is bigger in all of them? 38. Then 26. Then 11. So easy. Yes or no? So easy to solve. You can also solve some more questions from the book like this. Okay, children? Let's move to the next. Okay, children. The next topic is about a story. Let's listen to a very beautiful story. What is that? Once there was an old man. Okay, he's a farmer. So he planted a carrot. Then what happened? The carrot grew very big and sweet. Not an ordinary carrot. You seen a carrot, you eat the carrot, which gives us vitamin A, which is very beneficial for our body. All vitamins are very beneficial for our body, but vitamin A, what does it do? It makes the eyesight of our eyes very sharp. Okay, it is very useful for our eyes, and also it contains iron, which is very useful for our blood, and it gives lots of energy. And after all, we also eat na gajar ka halwa in winters. Just some few months back, we were enjoying gajar ka halwa. Yes. So for that old man planted the carrot, and the carrot grew up very big and very sweet. So old man thought that now it's time to get it out of the ground. You know na, carrot grows up inside the ground. You know na? Have you seen na? Yes. The carrot grows inside the soil. Okay. Now the old man is trying very hard to pull it out, but he was an old man. He tried very hard, but he failed. Then he called his wife. Please come, help me to pull it out. Now what did the old man do? He asked his wife to hold him from his back and pull him strongly, so that the force can help the carrot to get out. So his wife started helping him, but they worked very hard, but they failed. They could not get it out. Then the wife of old man called her granddaughter. Granddaughter, come, help us. Then granddaughter comes, and she also hold the back of her grandmother. Now all the three of them started pulling it hard, but failed. They could not pull the carrot out of the ground. Then the granddaughter called his pet dog. Doggy, come here, help na. Then doggy came, and he hold the granddaughter. Now 4 of them started pulling it out, but failed again. Then doggy called, Pussycat, how, come here. Now pussycat is coming running. Meow. Pussycat hold the tail of dog with her mouth. Now they all 5 are trying very hard to pull it from the soil, but failed. So sad na. They are working very hard to pull the carrot out, but all the 5 failed. Now pussycat called the mouse. Mouse, come here. Meow. Help us. Now the mouse is coming very fast. Now mouse hold the tail of pussycat. They all 6 were trying hard to pull it out. Finally, they succeeded in pulling the carrot out. And what did they do? They washed the carrot properly, chopped it, and made the gajar ka halwa so that they could enjoy that. After all, they worked very hard, na? So, who came first to pull the carrot out? Old man, then his wife, then their granddaughter, then dog, then cat, then mouse. Okay, I have written the sequence here. Now there are some questions in the book which are asking, let's read out. First question is that how many are pulling the carrot out? How many are there? 1, old man, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many helped the worked hard to pull the carrot out? 6. Okay. Then who was the first one to pull it? First one कौन था? सबसे पहले first one who came out to pull it out? Old man, na? Yes. What will the answer? Old man. Then cat is at which number? See, where is cat? Cat came at 5th number. Cat came at 5th number to pull the carrot out. Then the next question is, who was the 4th one to pull the carrot? Who was the 4th one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one was dog. Who came after? Granddaughter to help them to pull the carrot out. How many were pulling the carrot before the cat came to help them? Where is cat? Here is the cat. Before cat, how many came? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4th, it is cat, na? That means before cat, 4 came to pull the carrot out. Then make a cap on the 3rd one in the line. We are given the sequence. Now which is 3rd one? 1, 2, 3. At 3rd, granddaughter is there. 1, 2, 3. She is a granddaughter. Now we have to make a cap over her head. Can you make? Yes. You love drawing, na? I know. You will make a mustache for the 6th one in the line. Who is the 6th one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mouse is the 6th one. And you have seen mustache on the mouse face, na? Like this mustache. The big one. Yes. So you will draw the mustache of this mouse. You know, you are looking here, na? No mustache is there. You will draw. Okay? Sure? Okay. Then one more activity is there. Seema has made the design over a piece of cloth with the help of bindis. You can see all these are bindis. You have to calculate how many bindis are there. Like the first method that I told you, that in the first line 1, then second line 2, then third line 3, then fourth line 4, like that. You will count all the bindis. Okay. Now she is asking, look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis in group. After looking at these groups, you will tell how many total bindis are there. Easy na? You will do. It will take some time. You can do. Then draw more groups to complete 100 bindis. Now count them, subtract them, then compare them with 100 bindis. Are they less than 100 or more than 100? I hope they are less than 100. Okay. Find the difference, that is subtract these number of bindis from 100. That what difference will you find? Then draw that difference here in a group. The design is of your choice of the bindis. You can draw the design of bindis as per your own choice. Okay. So our second chapter has been finished. I hope you enjoyed and you have learned a lot of things from this chapter. Now you are required to do the worksheet as per the instructions given with every question and the worksheet. Okay, if you find any sort of difficulty, you can call my number or you can text me via WhatsApp. Okay, but I want a promise that you will do this chapter very carefully. Okay.